news for you guys. We got this car back and it's drivable. It sounds amazing. The feeling wise, you know, the clutch is still brand new, so I'm not gonna say it feels amazing, but it's feeling pretty good right now, and I'm hoping it gets better as time goes by. However, now we have to talk about this thing, and that's what this video is revolving around. Actually, well, you know, there's your guys' wrap reveal. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty well. Yup. So let me put this down. So I don't know how to say this, right? However, I am not quite liking the way that this wrap is looking. And so I have honestly considered wrapping half of the car and all of that, but it just it's not what I expected from it. And yes, I understand it is camo, so it's supposed to kind of, in a sense, you know, hide some of the the body lines, but this one does it a little too much, and I just didn't feel like there was too much of a change. So we're actually gonna end up taking it off. And I know the car's going back to basics, you know, just basic black, but it doesn't matter. You guys got to see what it looks like. I'll give you guys a full walk around right now and why it is that I feel the way that I do with the wrap itself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check this side of the car and the other side of the car, because that one is not wrapped yet. So let's go ahead and look. Okay, so going on to this side, you guys. So as you guys can see, the car looks really clean, really simple, and just black here. Let me try and zoom out as much as I can on the camera, because although I am pretty far from the car, this camera seems to have a little bit of zoom. So I'm literally a good 5 steps away, 5-6 steps away, and it looks like I'm right next to the car. However, this is how it looks on this side, you guys, and I'm gonna show you now the side that I did indeed wrap. And yeah, so I don't know, it looks good, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna sit here and say it looks that bad, but it's just not the kind of look that I wanted. When I thought, when I ordered the wrap, I thought it was gonna look a lot better than this. So like I said, you guys, I don't know, I just think this side is a little messier than per se this side. I think this side still looks a little bit cleaner with just the black, and for that reason alone, I'm going to end up taking the wrap off. So yeah, you guys are gonna see this right now, and maybe there'll be a new wrap that comes along our way in the future, but as of right now, not really. I just want to have the car back to how it was, all clean, and I have a little bit of bits and accessories that I do have to add on to it. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Let's put the car back together. For me, it's gonna be about 3 or 4 hours, and for you guys, it's gonna be what, 25 seconds. Alright, you guys, we are back with a brand new clip, and we got some more in the video. Anyways, you guys, I know we left off with the whole unwrapping the Camaro, and I never really got another clip after that. However, I do want to explain all of that, like everything in regards to me wrapping the car and then regretting it right after 2 or 3 days, and then taking the wrap off. I want to go over that some other day, but in this video, I want to continue on with just giving you guys what it is to have the Mustang back in the channel, because I don't think I gave it a big enough welcome. And I mean, it took 3 weeks for me to get this thing fixed, or more. I think probably about a month, and I am so back in love with it. The way that it drives, the way everything about it, the way that it sounds. I miss this car a lot, and I hate to think that, you know, soon, someday, we're gonna have to get rid of it. But I mean, as of now, let's go ahead and get a drive out of this thing and just listen to the engine. Yikes. Oh my god, dude, I miss this car so much. Just being able to drive it, dude, brings so much joy. you like it?
It feels nice again.
Yeah.
How's the whole driving part though? Easier?
It's the same thing, to be honest. The clutch is getting a lot better because when we first drove it, it was like too shallow, but now it's like getting there. It's getting back to how it used to be. It's not a heavy clutch, right? Because I didn't get anything too extreme. I did get like the street, I get like I guess like a street clutch, but you know, it's pretty good. I'm actually surprised. It's nice and it engages smooth. I'm still in the whole break-in period, you know. So I'm not gonna give you guys like a full-on. I'm not gonna give you guys the whole enchilada with the beans, if you know what I'm saying. But you guys are gonna get to hear the engine. You guys are gonna be mad at me, right? Like I know how this is gonna sound, right? Like I know how you guys are gonna react to this. I think this car sounds a little bit better than the Camaro. If I'm being completely honest with you, like I like it that much. Like I'm like, wow. Oh God, dude. And she's in a good mood today, so it makes everything a lot better. See, whereas the Camaro, like I tell you guys all the time, you know, it has that whole aggressiveness, and it's just like it just like wants to go and go and go. And this car has some sort of like charisma to it, even though it's the same thing, the same setup as the Camaro, stock manifold, stock exhaust, only a muffler delete. Like I only chopped off the mufflers, right? I mean, it has a sort of like character to it. Whereas again, you know, the Camaro sounds amazing. It sounds really good as well. But it's like really aggressive, and that's all. Like all it does is just aggressive, and not this. This has its own little like tone to it, which I love, and it's what makes a 4.6 a 4.6, and that's what it makes, you know, this engine acceptable. So I mean, I can't complain. I love the engine, so that's pretty much it. Guys, we're gonna get a couple revs right now. See how this thing screams. Just as I had said earlier, fuck, you can clutch. Oh fuck, it's not going in. You got this. Fucking second gear. Yeah. So I told you guys the car felt great, and now it's acting up. I literally had to start it in second gear because something's just not right, and I'm really bummed out now. I was having an awesome day, now I'm having a shitty day, and I'm sorry YouTube, I know they're gonna probably, you know, not monetize this video because of that, but now I'm upset because I was having a great day. And like the thing literally does not want to go into gear. Like no matter how much I push the clutch in, like it does not go into gear, which is really weird. I hate the feeling of it.
Broken.
So we're hitting the Fast and Furious type of drive because this thing does not want to engage at all. Third gear is gone. And I mean, it almost feels like if my clutch had just gone out. Like if it were the old one, however, I replaced the old one. So this is a brand new clutch. It's about 4 to 5 days old. The car died. See what I'm saying? That's the only way I'm gonna get, you know, to actually have this car. And the second gear is fine, but then I can't go into third. When I'm at a stop, like the clutch just does not want to engage any gear at all. Alright you guys, we are back home. You know, today was going great, but it's like very sad to say that it actually turned around to be pretty bad. So with that being said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's gonna help me out a lot, and I really do hope that you guys are enjoying the new content that's coming out to the channel. And we're going to be posting on more frequently, so please don't give up. Follow the channel and keep up with the builds because they're going to be great just as soon as they cooperate. So with that being said, you guys, peace, and I'll see you guys on the next video.